Continuing with our topic, that is dental care, let's have a look on the parts of tooth. Here you can see enamel, dentine, cementum and pulp. Enamel and dentine together form the crown part, whereas cementum and pulp form the root part. Each tooth has two parts, crown and root. The visible part is the crown and the part inside the gum which we cannot see is the root. Enamel. The hard white part outside is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of the body. Dentine. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. It is bone-like. Pulp. The part inside the dentine is pulp. It is the center of the tooth. The pulp is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. Care of teeth. Brush at least twice a day. Use fluoridated toothpaste. Brush thoroughly. Floss your teeth daily. Limit acidic drinks like soft drinks, cordials and fruit juices. Limit sugary foods. Protect your teeth from injury. Avoid using your teeth for anything other than chewing food. See your dentist for regular checkups. Health benefits of using miswak. Miswak fights plague effectively. It helps prevent gum diseases, promotes whiter teeth, prevents tooth decay, fights odor and bad breath. Microbes. Microbes are very tiny creatures. They can be seen only under a microscope. Microbes are present everywhere in air, water, soil, body, etc. Microbes that causes disease are called germs. Microbes are of four types: bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. Types of microbes. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. They are found in different shapes. They cause diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis and cholera. Virus is a small microorganism. It causes diseases like dengue, flu and polio. Protozoa are single-celled but bigger than bacteria. They cause diseases like malaria, dysentery and food poisoning. Fungi grow on dead and decaying matter. They cause diseases like ringworm and athlete's foot. Our mouth is a home to many microorganisms. While most of these tiny oral mouth bacteria do not harm us, but there are some that can affect our health, causing tooth decay and gum diseases. Such bacteria can be controlled with a healthy diet, good oral care practices, and regular visits to the dentist. Food items like raisins and milk are healthy for our teeth. They prevent formation of plaque and tooth decay. Not all microbes are harmful for our health. There are some microbes which are useful. Like fungus called yeast help in making short cakes and bread. Lactobacillus bacteria converts milk to curd. Fungus Penicillium notatum is used to make antibiotics called as penicillin. Fungi also helps in decaying plant and animals. Here are few examples like curd, cheese, wine, etc. Thank you for watching.